Hey, g'day there, it's Craig from KickAss, and look what I've got today. It's our brand new battery box with our 25 amp Bluetooth DCDC charger and solar controller integrated into the top, ready to rock and roll. Drop your battery in and away you go. Let's check it out. You beauty. That's right, we've upgraded our battery box to now have our famous Bluetooth 25 amp DC-DC charger and solar regulator. And don't forget, this looks after your whole dual battery system with your battery isolator built in. All we need to do is hook a couple of cables in the back for the most effortless plug-and-play system you've ever seen. And not only that, now we've got Bluetooth monitoring to see what our alternator and our solar input is. How cool is that? Let's check out all the features. This battery box has been designed to suit your N70 size battery. Now that's the most common 4x4 off-roading dual battery on this planet, okay? So as you can see, it's ideal for our KickAss non-Bluetooth batteries as well as our AGM batteries. But I mean, if you've got another battery and you want to drop it in, how cool is that? Alrighty, so let's run across the top. Now, first off, we have our voltmeter. So how cool is that? Now you can monitor and see what your battery voltage is. It has an on and off switch too, which comes in really, really handy. It also has a low voltage alarm. That's right, when your battery voltage gets low, it will start beeping at you and let you know. How cool is that? Next off, we have your battery master switch. Now this comes in really, really handy because obviously you can disconnect the whole system, and it's absolutely awesome in times of storage where you can disconnect the battery and that way it won't be flat next time you go to use it. What a bloody ripper. Next up, we have your three 10 amp SIG sockets. So we haven't forgotten about those either. Last but not least, we have your two USB-As, and one of those is a quick charge 3, so that way you can charge your phones and all your modern stuff too. What an absolute cracker. Alrighty, next up, we've got some more inputs and outputs for you, and check this out. So we have your 450 amp Anderson inputs and outputs. And how groovy is this? These Anderson inputs and outputs are connected to our auto reset circuit breakers. So that's right, if you get a short, they will automatically detect it and protect the whole system. And once you've figured out what's gone wrong, remove that problem, they'll fire up again. No change in fuses, no fiddling around at night for a torch and trying to find stuff. There you go. We check out the very back here. We've got our connector for our DC-DC charger as well as our solar regulator. Now the beauty about this, it's flush mount, so it comes in really, really handy in tight spaces and looks absolutely fantastic for cable management too. You beauty. Alrighty, now check out this. We have our built-in handles. Now this makes it absolutely awesome for total portability. I mean, you can rock up to your campsite, grab your battery box out of the back of your 4x4, take it closer to campsite, and there you go, power up everything there. And another really cool feature, it also gives us the anchor points to be able to mount our optional battery tray in, and I'll show you that in a second. You beauty. Alrighty, so let me show you how the battery box straps down into the optional battery tray. Alrighty, let's give it a go. Now here's our optional battery tray. Now this comes in really, really handy. All we need to do is mount it permanently in the vehicle, and there's so many holes here, so at least they've got to be able to put a couple in without no problems. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up this strap. First off, I'll flip it upside down like this. It's going to thread the strap underneath till it locks in. So as you can see, there's our strap already bolted up, ready to go. Now I'm going to grab the battery box base. The beauty is it's got these great handles now, so I'm going to whack that down there. What we'll do, you can see the nice little hook end. So one end goes down there like that. The other on the other side. And then we just need to pull down, and there we have it. We've installed our optional tray, and that's not going anywhere. What an absolute beauty. So there we have it, as you can see. Now, if you want to remove it, it is nice and easy. Opposite procedure, just quickly undo the straps. They drop down nice and easily. Pull the base out, look at that, nice and easy. And there we have, once again, the battery tray that's going to be permanently mounted in your vehicle. So you can't complain about that for total portability. How cool is that? Okay, so it comes with the tools needed to get into your battery box, as well as the stainless steel fasteners to bolt the battery lid down to. Also include these sticky pads. Now they're in the bottom of the battery box. You can just peel the plastic off them, and it comes in as an extra precaution, although there is already a Velcro tie down. But if you're going to be doing heaps of four-wheel drive and heaps of really rough stuff, you can put these in there and your battery's not going to move in a million years. You ripper. Well, there you have it, the brand new KickAss Battery Box with our integrated 25 amp Bluetooth DC-DC charger and solar controller, all ready to rock and roll. While you're at it, don't forget to grab yourself a battery tray. Also, grab yourself one of our KickAss wiring harnesses ready to rock and roll. So head online or head in store today. You beauty.